Adhering to a well-defined Candida diet is the first move for dealing with yeast infections. Recent research indicates that the right diet plan may be highly effective in preventing certain health problems and chronic diseases, including Candida infections. Before discussing the connection between Candida diet and its impact on yeast infection, we'll take a quick look at what Candida infection is and discuss the specific conditions that bring it on. Candida is the scientific name for single-cell microbes to be found in small amounts in the most areas of the human body, the intestines, the genitals, the mouth, etc. Although in the body that is healthy, these microbes are kept in check by beneficial bacteria and an operational immune system. A combination of certain conditions can wreck this healthy balance. Candida can grow out of control and take on a root-like structure to damage the mucous membranes of the gut, invading the bloodstream and causing the well-known symptoms related to yeast infection. As these microbes are mobile and can reach different parts of the body, systemic as well as local yeast infection can occur. There are many factors that bring on yeast infection. Some of these factors are related closely to food. Observing diet plans that can prevent yeast infection from spreading is the first and one of the basic moves in and make to holistic Candida therapy. Adhering to the following diet rules, in combination with other nutrition and lifestyle principles, can bring positive results to your general health and particularly to your yeast infection problem. 1. Stop eating a refined sugar and carbohydrates. Refined sugar, which includes simple carbohydrates such as molasses and honey, and other refined carbohydrates such as white flour, white rice, any type of cereals, etc., are all food for Candida. Consuming such foods can make Candida breed. To prevent Candida overgrowth, use stevia instead of sugar and use whole grain non-gluten products such as brown rice, buckwheat bread to replace refined carbohydrates. 2. Foods that contain yeast or mold like white vinegar, mushrooms, dried fruits, canned vegetables and some condiments can also encourage Candida and should not be eaten. 3. To fight Candida, your immune system needs to be strong. Using antibiotics can debilitate your immune system and kill off friendly bacteria. Therefore, many nutritionists recommend that their patients stop using antibiotics and reduce intake of dairy products that may also contain antibiotics. Since strengthening the immune system is an integral part of preventing yeast infections, daily consumption of garlic can lessen the likelihood of recurrent yeast infections. 4. Dairy products and cow's milk products in particular should be avoided because they can lead to allergic reactions, create excessive mucus and take longer to digest. Some of the main yeast infection factors can include allergies and digestive problems. Better alternatives to dairy products of cow's milk are organic goat and sheep's milk products. 5. To stop Candida overgrowth, it is important to maintain the right acid-alkaline balance. That means the right pH level in your blood. pH is measured on a scale that goes from 0 to 14, where 14 is the most alkaline, 7 is neutral and 0 is the most acid. Your body functions best in the range of pH 7.35 and 7.45 for acidity in the blood. Any extra acidity makes for a context where Candida multiplies. An alkaline food plan, which is based on consumption of alkaline-forming foods with calcium, cesium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, almonds, green juices, and most fresh vegetables etc., with moderate consumption of foods that form acids, most meats, fish, dairy and grain products, can help you regain your alkaline quotient to better control Candida growth. 6. A study by Albert Einstein College of Medicine of Yeshiva University in New York revealed that eating foods rich in beta-carotene, a natural substance that's converted into vitamin A in the body, could offer some protection against yeast infections. Remember that Candida diets can be very good for halting all kinds of yeast infections, but that they are only the first part of a full holistic therapy. Click the link in the description box.